school. My name is Miss Kelly, and today we are on day number 3. We are going to start with green time, and for green time, we're going to start with a game. This game is called How Many Parts? I am going to say a word, and your job is to clap to see how many parts does the word have. You'll need to listen carefully. Are you ready? Okay, I will say 3 different words. The first word is duck. Duck. How many parts does that word have? Say the word. Say duck. And then clap. Duck. Duck only has 1 part because I only clapped 1 time when I said that word. See? Duck. Let's do another word. Rooster. How many parts is in that word? Clap to see. Rooster. How many parts? 2. That's right. Here's the last word. Animal. 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 How many parts does the word animal have in it? 3. Good guess. All right, guys. Now it's time to see what's next for green time. Let's go. Hello, friends. Can you say hi to Mr. Lion? Hello, guys. Roar. Good to see you. Today, we are going to do another word with Mr. Lion. Mr. Lion, are you ready to practice saying all the sounds in the word? Yes, yes, yes. I can't wait to do it today. All right, Mr. Lion, are you ready at home? Do you have your listening ears on? Your job is to listen to the word and see if Mr. Lion says the whole word. We sometimes forget the last sound, so make sure you hear him say all the sounds, okay? All right, ready, Mr. Lion? Yes, yes, yes! All right, Mr. Lion, the word that I would like for you to say today is gate. Gate. Can you say that, Mr. Lion? Yes, 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 yes! Yay! Gay! Did Mr. Lion say all of the sounds? So close, Mr. Lion. Try again. Gate. Gate. You are forgetting the T sound at the end, Mr. Lion. Try again. Okay. Gate. Did you hear Mr. Lion say the last sound? He did it. Good job, Mr. Lion. All right, you guys. Thanks for your help. Let's see what's next. All right, friends. It's finger play time, and we will be doing My Rabbit. This time, I am going to say the words to you and show you how the fingers go again. But this time, we'll be listening to see if we can hear any rhyming words, okay? That means if we can hear any words that sound the same. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to start reading from here. My rabbit has 2 big ears. So get your ears ready. Are you ready? Here we go. My rabbit has 2 big ears and a funny little nose. He likes to nibble on carrots and he hops wherever he goes. Wait a minute, I heard a rhyming word. Listen, let's see if you can catch it. My rabbit has 2 big ears and a funny little nose. He likes to nibble carrots and he hops wherever he goes. Which word sounds like goes? Nose. Say goes. Now say nose. Those words rhyme because they sound the same. Good job. Let's see what's next. Hello, children. It is the part of green time where we get to listen for sound. I am going to say some words, and your job is to listen to the end of the word to see if you can hear a letter Z. You remember what sound a Z make? This is the way the zipper zips, the zipper zips, the zipper zips. This is the way the zipper zips. A Z makes this sound. You try. Good job. If you hear that sound at the end of the word, can you make a Z sound? All right, I'm going to say the words. Listen carefully. The first word is wish. Wish. Say the word. Wish. Do you hear a Z sound at the end of that word? No. Here's the next word. Jazz. Jazz. Do you hear a Z sound at the end of that word? Good job. Make the Z sound. All right, let's do another one. Phone. Phone. Do you hear a Z at the end of that word? Say it. Say phone. No, not a Z sound. Here's the last word. Size. Say the word. Say size. Do you hear a Z at the end of that word? Good job. Now, we're going to switch it up a bit. I am going to put another letter on the board. What letter is this? This is the letter O. Can you make a long O sound? Oh, that's right. I am going to say some words. I want you to tell me if you hear a O in the word, or do you hear a Z in the word, okay? Listen. Zip. Zip. Do you hear a Z or an O in that word? Say the word. Say zip. Which letter do you hear in that word? Zip has a Z sound in it. Good job. Let's do one more. Ocean. Ocean. Say the word. Ocean. Which letter do you hear in that word? The Z or the O? Ocean has a O in it. Do you hear it? Good listening.